Now, in electricity, the important concept, that is resistance. Resistance. What is meant by resistance? We will discuss now. Let us recapitulate once Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, we can say that potential difference is directly proportional to electric current. From that, you can write V is equals to IR. Capital I or small I you can write. So here R is equals to V by I you can write. V means potential difference, I means electric current. So the ratio of potential difference and electric current gives the resistance. So this is resistance. Resistance means what? In a conductor, when electricity is passing through a conductor, for example, this is a conductor. When electricity is passing in this direction, means electrons are moving in opposite direction. So the flow of electrons is opposed by the material. Individually, it is having the property that opposes the flow of electrons. That property is known as resistance. So resistance R is equals to V by I here. Resistance is measured in ohms. Unit is ohm. So here unit ohm is equals to, this is potential difference V. Potential difference is measured in volts, by I electric current measured in ampere. So ohm is equal to volt per ampere. We can define from this equation, we can define 1 ohm also. 1 ohm is a resistance offered by a conductor. When we create 1 volt of potential difference in an element, then electric current passes 1 ampere. So this is the definition of ohm. So resistance is this. So what are the factors affecting the resistance? Factors. First one is length. Resistance is dependent on its length of the conductor or length of the resistor. And second one is area of cross section. This is length, this is area of cross section. If length of the conductor increases, resistance offered by the conductor also increases. That's why in a bulb, if you consider a bulb, the bulb is equipped with a filament. So in the bulb, a filament is equipped. The filament, if you observe the filament is in spiral shape. Why? Because to increase its length. When length increases, the resistance offered by the filament also increases. So because of increase of resistance, heat produced also increases, then the bulb will glow. That's why if length increases, the resistance offered by the conductor also increases. So we can write R is directly proportional to L. Means resistance and length of the conductor both are directly proportional to each other. And in another case, R is dependent on area of cross section also. For example, area of cross section means it is nothing but thickness. For example, this is a conductor. This is the thickness of the conductor. This is another conductor. This is the thickness of the conductor. You can see this second conductor is thicker than the first one. So thickness increases, resistance offered by the conductor also decreases. Means thickness increases, resistance decreases. Why? Because electrons passes is easily possible here. Here the same number of electrons are passing, it is too difficult to pass through it. Means the thickness decreases, resistance offered by the conductor increases. Here the thickness increases, electrons passes is also easy. That's why resistance decreases. Why? Because resistance is the property that opposes the flow of electrons. So here R is inversely proportional to A. So R is directly proportional to L, R is inversely proportional to A. So both combinedly you can write R is directly proportional to L by A. If you want to make this an equation, you have to multiply with a constant. So that is equals to constant here rho into L by A. Here rho is called resistivity. Rho value also you can write, rho is equals to RA by L. Ra by L. So this units also we can write here. R is measured in ohm, resistance is measured in ohm, and A is area of cross section. Area of cross section means meter square. Area means meter into meter, length into length, so meter square. By length is measured in meters. So 1 meter, 1 square cancelled, so ohm meter. Ohm meter is the unit for resistivity. So these are the factors. What are the factors? Factors, first one is length. Length and resistivity are inversely proportional to each other, and area of cross section, length and resistivity are directly proportional to each other. Area of cross section and resistance are inversely proportional to each other. So this is a concept regarding resistance of the conductor.